We all recognize that gender diversity is crucial for the success of the country. But did you know, India's GDP only 17% comes from women entrepreneurs? And out of all the startups in India, as per a recent survey, only 14% are founded by women. Most of the women entrepreneurs find it very hard to get funding. 91% of women founded startups are bootstrapped. So our job is to help deserving women founders get the capital they need to scale up their startups. That's what empoWer does.
Well, I feel like empoWer grew with me because its first year was my first year in India, and now we're on the 4th edition. I think that the number of companies that have been empowered, the number of companies that have been mentored through this program is tremendous.
So in this 4th edition of empoWer, we've done things a little differently. Firstly, we selected 14 startups that were put through a 3-day bootcamp, and we shortlisted 10 out of that. And rather than doing a series of boot camps in Mumbai, we actually adopted a localized approach. In their local cities, we provided them with connects, which hopefully they will be able to maintain in the long run also.
There is some really positive energy in the room when we all, gathered, when we all met, when we attended the sessions together. They were value giving. They were, we all had some or the other takeaway.
All of us are sailing on the same boat. The magnitude of the problem might differ, but ultimately it actually gives a platform to share and get the advices.
From where we started 4 weeks back to the experience that we gained, to the new plans that we have. I think putting all that out and actually talking to so many people, it's always exciting. So we're looking forward to the demo day. A program like empoWer understands that you need emotional and financial support, and it's not just for the duration of the program, it's also a lifelong bonding that you create. So this is what real networking is about, and real creating a community is about.
The fact that you've got an entire ecosystem of mentors, potential investors, and that's what they need, right? And they're all at the cusp of, breaking out and, becoming really big. And therefore, this kind of a boost, this kind of entire support that you've created, I think it's fantastic.
And the level of confidence, the level of research that they have done, the ability to be able to present the case and independently stand on a stage in front of so many people and say it out is amazing.
They had previously informed us of the format, what kind of jury to expect. So that way they prepped us enough and well for the pitch day. I greatly thank the team of empoWer for this opportunity and for judging me as one of the winners of empoWer.
The way that you brought back last year's winners to share their journey. So one, it shows that there is impact, but they are also coming back and lending their journey, their advice, and all of that. And then the support that you have with Quebec government. I think these are great endorsements for the program overall.
Quebec has been associated with the empoWer program for the 3rd consecutive year. This year in Quebec, the winner is going to be around for 1 week during C2 Montreal, which is an international event.
I'm super excited. I won the Quebec trip also along with the prize. I'm just super excited. And this has been an incredible journey. Made amazing friends, had the best insights.
To me, empoWer is a journey. It's not just giving away these prizes and walking away. We plan to stay with these 10 startups and help them scale and succeed.